Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. Good performance today, has been cooperating well with our wave count and scenario. I communicated to you in the last update that DOT was in this orange support area here, and that this ideally in the current wave scenario would be the area where we want to see a reversal, and it has shown one. Obviously now it needs to prove that it's something sustainable. But to be fair, anybody who added a position in this support area, which is between or several positions ideally, so as I always try to teach it, essentially it's up to you how you do it, but basically pyramiding in, okay, so basically maybe starting even a little bit above the box and then having that sort of, this position would be nicely filled with pretty much bottom heavy there, you know, with most of the position size as close as possible to the stop, which would ideally be below the box somewhere, maybe below that swing low there. And then, yeah, let's say the average would then be somewhere down here and the market moved up intraday. That was that all today? Yeah, pretty much intraday. 6-7%. Depends on how you trade this, right? Some people might have traded this on margin, but even spot like 7, maybe even 8%, which is pretty decent, okay? So again, then it's all about just now managing risk. Okay, if it comes back into the support area, fine, you can try again, you know, or you take some partial profits. You don't want to turn that into a loser, you know, or you are, for example, just moving up the stop loss a bit, you know, things like that. That is just basic risk management that now just needs to happen here. Obviously, we don't know if this is now the wave 5, and we can really only confirm that we are really in this wave. I'm talking about the wave 5 of the wave 5 essentially. If we get a break above that $8.60 level, so how does that work? So I haven't actually added the micro count here, but I just gave you the support level. But the idea was that, yeah, this could be a wave 1, you know, this could be a wave 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how I calculated here the zone, okay, the zones, the support zone basically. I cannot rule out that there's even another 1, 2 set up here, and you know, this 3 will actually be here, but let's keep it low level. If this is playing out, then yeah, at any time now the market needs to stay above $7.60, which is the low that was made today, and we need to get to that fifth wave target. The fifth wave target starts at $8.95. Better would be $9.62. This is sort of ideally what's going to happen now, getting there. If we don't even get there and instead break below this intraday low, then we are probably dealing with, not something bearish, but it might just be that we are moving here in an overall diagonal pattern, and then it could just mean that we need to look at the structure then. But if we break micro support, again, it's the first line of support. It's not even, any deep support or anything, or very significant support. This is just sort of you could say a trading area, just a trend reversal box, but only for short term. But this could turn into something like that, and then we test that trend line again and we go a little higher. So turning into a diagonal. What I have added here was a support zone based on the assumption that this could be an impulse to the upside, which at the moment it seems to be because it reacted to the support zone. So now we just watch if it can reach $8.95 or $9.62. Then we can talk about potentially the completion of this third wave at some point, then another 4, then another 5. That's how I would prefer it. So if we break below micro support now, wouldn't be any reason to panic. Anybody who entered here, for example, anyway, could just manage risk and is probably going to get out with a small profit if you take some partial profits. Again, you don't want to turn a winning trade into a loser, not if it runs like 7-8% intraday. It's pretty good. Of course, not, it's not like 20-25%, but that's fine. It's still decent. It takes you years to get that in interest in a bank. Anyway, it's cooperating well with the count. I want to see if the wave 5 now moves a little higher. If we pull back and even break the intraday low, then I will change the assumption of the chart to, still probably something bullish. Will depend on the structure, but then we're likely just moving in some kind of a diagonal pattern here, which is going to be a bit tricky, or it's going to move in a large, ABC. Now this could be a larger A wave then. This might here have been some kind of B wave, and we rally now in a C wave. So this could, turn into something different if we break micro support, but it wouldn't be bearish. It would just mean, okay, we're introducing some uncertainty. I need to be very careful then. Okay, that's my update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.